Hello, this is Dr. E. Today we're going to be looking at some logarithm equations. Before we do that, I am going to define logarithm. Okay, the log of a number to a given base is the power to which the base will be raised to give that number. So in other words, I have log n base b is equal to my power p. Okay, the n, which is the number, is equal to the base b to the power p. All right, so we're going to use this equation to solve question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 is the product rule, and the log of a product is the sum of the logs. So in other words, we're going to try to condense this into the product rule. Log, I'm rewriting it, x minus 12 to the base of 4 is equal to 3. So now using our definition of a log, that means x minus 12 is 4 to the power 3. This is our number, this is our base, and this is our power. So we're going to use a distributive property to expand this. This becomes x squared minus 12x is equal to 16, or rather 64. 4 to the power 3 is 64. Okay, this is a simple algebraic equation. So we're going to x squared minus 12x minus 64 is equal to 0. This is simple quadratic equation. If we factor this, it's going to give us x plus 4 into x minus 16 is equal to 0. So now we solve for x minus 4, x plus 4 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to negative 4. The second one, x minus 16 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 16. Okay, so now if we try to plug this back into our equation, if we plug in negative 4, you're not going to have a negative log. So this is not good. In logarithm, we call this extraneous. That means it's no good. And if we plug this in there, this is the right answer. Okay, now we're going to do question number 2. This is the quotient rule. And the log of a quotient is the difference of the logs. So in other words, this is log 15x minus 1 over x minus 1 base 2 is equal to 4. So now we're going to again use the definition of log. That means 15 minus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 4. Okay, that gives us 15x minus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 16. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. So if we cross multiply, we have 15x minus 1 is equal to 16x minus 1. Again, we're going to use the distributive properties on this. So you have 15x minus 1 is equal to 16x minus 16. Now we solve for x. Negative x is equal to negative 15. Okay, that means x is equal to 15. And that's our solution here. Okay, you can plug it back into the equation and it's going to give you the right answer 4. Okay, that concludes our lesson for today. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.